Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Mazda CX-5 fuel cap full guide. Start by parking level and turning off the engine, then find the fuel door release inside the driver area and pull it to pop the door open. Walk to the fuel door, press gently if needed, swing it fully open, and grip the fuel cap. Twist the cap counterclockwise until it stops and lift it off carefully. If the cap feels stuck, stay calm and apply steady pressure while twisting counterclockwise, avoiding sudden force that can damage plastic threads. Wrap a clean cloth around the cap for extra grip, especially in cold or wet conditions. If your Mazda has a locking fuel cap or central lock feature, ensure doors are unlocked and try again, then inspect for debris or frozen seals before forcing the cap. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to keep more car tips coming. It really helps. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough with their lifetime warranty for comfy rides to the pump. I link the product and deals in the description so you can check it out easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For safe refueling, never smoke or use open flames near the fuel opening, and keep phones away from direct pump contact. Fill slowly and stop when the pump clicks off to avoid spills and vapor release. When replacing the cap, press and turn until you hear a secure click so the evaporative system seals properly. Confirm the fuel door closes flush and locked if applicable before driving away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.